You're never too old for braces. It's not something people always thought in the past. They felt if you had braces, you needed to get them when you were a child, and if you missed your chance, you had to go through life crooked. So go anywhere, go to the movies, go to a restaurant, stand on a line somewhere, go to Sears, it doesn't really matter where you go to a tire center, look at people, they're talking, they're smiling. Their teeth are crooked. A lot of adults are walking around with crooked teeth because the old technology said, nah, you're an adult, no braces for you. But it's not true. Today the technology is so advanced that you can wear braces at any age and nobody will even know you're wearing them. This is what you wear. You cannot even see it. Clear, clip-on plastic. That's all it is. It's computer generated and it's a snap to wear and it makes your teeth look great and it makes you feel great, and it's something of the future that's here today to take advantage of. And I want you, if your teeth are crooked, to take advantage of it. If you're 50 years old, if you're 60 years old, it doesn't matter. You want straight teeth, you can have straight teeth, and they can be straight and healthy. It's not going to do damage to your teeth, your gums, or your bone. And that's really what's important. When you're finished, not only will your smile be perfect, not only will your teeth look great, but they'll be healthy. They won't trap food, they won't trap bugs, bacteria in the cracks where they're twisted and overlapping each other and having gum problems. That's the biggest problem with crooked teeth. People lose their crooked teeth because they have gum problems. This is something that's easy for adults to do, and it gives you such personal satisfaction. When I finish a patient and I've taken these off of them and they're done, I've actually had people that have tears in their eyes that their teeth look so great. It's just a wonderful, amazing thing to see. So if you have crooked teeth, stop worrying about it, stop thinking about it. Give me a call, Dr. David Shannon. I'm here in Northridge, and I can straighten your teeth very easily and very cleanly with modern technology. And check out our other videos too, because there's a lot of modern technology that can be applied to other areas of dentistry today as well. Thank you.